Make sure to check out my channel for more videos just like this. Welcome to Marianna, Florida, where today we take a tour of the Florida State Caverns. Now before we get started, I do want to give a tip. Make sure to get there early. Up this pathway we have the visitor center and also the gift shop. Now this place is actually pretty decent. You go here, they have like free little exhibits and I'm assuming shows and things like that during the day. Since I got there so early, it literally just opened. But definitely check this out if you go to the State Caverns. Now this is not a fake cave, this is a real cave and this is the entrance to the cave. It has a door, but it literally is, everything is underground and this is all natural. I believe it's been there, well it's been an area you can walk through since 1920 if I'm not mistaken. Now check this place out. Now right here you have our cool tour guide Jayden. He was pretty laid back, pretty chill. And of course it's your boy Mr. Bucket List. Now I do want to state that this place was amazing. Before I get to the rating and finish the review, I just want to say I adored this place. It had nice little wildlife, beautiful caves, and you'll see some other things as well as some surprises. But it just, wow. Oh my goodness. The lighting and the coloring in this place was amazing as well. I mean, you'll see each room had a different type of color to it. It wasn't natural sound. I don't want to say this is a natural color. This is lighting they put in by the workers that own this place. Also, be prepared to crouch and do a lot of low walking. There are some ceilings that go down to 4 feet, so just be aware. Please watch out for this. So this happened to be one of my favorite areas and one of the highlights of the cave tours. Now these colors aren't natural, but this is some of the lighting they just put in after the hurricane. One of my favorite rooms, clearly. But this place is just amazing. I mean, apparently they have like weddings and ceremonies, different things down here, and I believe it because it really is something beautiful to behold. Right here you have some of the devastation left over from Hurricane Michael. Now let's get on to the pros and cons. And here's the cons. Now, as far as my rating, this is definitely a must do. You have to do this, please. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that video. I love those caves. Now to give you all a heads up on the future videos I plan on doing a full review of Busch Gardens Tampa, a full review of SeaWorld Orlando, and also some walkthroughs of the entire parks like I did for Busch Gardens, so an entire walkthrough of SeaWorld as well. And then of course some other videos as I go along with the days. But then again, thank you all for watching this video. If you all don't mind subscribing, I really enjoy having you all watching my channel. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Peace.